7 days to relieve anxiety. Day 7. Deep anxiety reset for lasting peace. Welcome to your final day of this journey to relieve anxiety. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your body to begin to soften and relax. Release any tension you may be holding in your shoulders. Let your jaw unclench and your face relax. Bring your awareness gently to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. There's nothing you need to change right now. Simply observe each inhale and each exhale. Let each breath bring a sense of calm into your body. With every exhale, release a little more tension. Imagine your stress gently melting away. Allow your mind to begin to slow down. If thoughts arise, simply notice them and let them pass. You do not need to follow every thought. Return your focus softly back to your breath. Feel yourself becoming more grounded with each moment. Bring your attention now to your body. Notice where you may still be holding tension. Gently invite those areas to relax. Let a wave of calm move from the top of your head. Flowing slowly down through your body. Relaxing your neck, shoulders, and arms. Softening your chest and your heart space. Allow your stomach to relax and release. Let your hips and legs feel heavy and supported. Feel your entire body now resting in calm awareness. You are safe in this moment. There's nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to go. Allow yourself to fully let go. Imagine a peaceful light surrounding you. This light brings comfort and deep relaxation. With every breath, this calm grows stronger. Let go of any remaining worry or fear. You are releasing everything that no longer serves you. Trust that you are supported and at peace. Rest in the stillness for a few moments. Feel the quiet and clarity within your mind. Notice how your body feels now. Calm, relaxed, and at ease. Take a deeper breath in and gently exhale. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly start to move your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.